Hello, this is Mosh Bari. Welcome to this video. In case you don't know me, my name is Mosh Bari again, and I love to make videos that tell people how to make money on. I'm crazy about it, and I love my phone. When it comes to making money using your phone, I get super excited. And in this video, I will share how you can make money using your phone without really doing any work, just by using the most interesting, the most popular feature of your phone, which comes completely free, and using a website that has over 75 million monthly visitors. Again, you're not gonna buy anything, you're not gonna sell anything, you don't need a skill, but in case if you have one specific skill and you are interested to improve that skill, that will be super handy and it can make you really rich. But in case you are still just a beginner, you still can make money. How much money can you make? A lot of money. You can make up to $1,000 a day or even $5,000 a day, starting from $100 a day. Literally unlimited. You can make money in multiple different ways, and if you start doing this, you can make money from similar websites that also have a lot of traffic just like this. So let us begin. But before that, hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you tell YouTube that this is a good video and they should show this video to other people, and they should also let you know when we will upload our next money making video. By the way, we always give away our premium software 100% free, so you can make far more money easily without really working hard. So yes, in the description below, you'll find my software free that will help you make money better. So let's begin. The website name is Shutterstock. They have 75 million monthly visitors. So what do? They host stock footages or stock images. And on the internet, no matter what you do, you need image and videos. What will you do? You have to buy them. And you go to one of the sites called Shutterstock. Really expensive. But one thing Shutterstock needs all the time, they need images from photographers. Like photographers just like us who took photos with our phone or using our camera. They don't care. They care about sales and money. So when their users pay them, they are happy. Makes sense? What we are going to do, take photos using our phone, upload them on Shutterstock and make money. So in a moment, I'm going to share some secrets how you can make money using Shutterstock faster, why they pay you, how much money you can make, and I'm going to share my software. Link in the description will make the whole process faster. Now, when you land on Shutterstock, it feels like, oh my God, I have to pay. No, you're not going to pay. You're going to get paid. So in order to get paid, you have to go at the bottom of the website, the footage, where you'll find for contributors section. There are three sections: sell your content, the short list, and the mobile app. Now, all three are important. Number one, sell your content. This is where you sell your content. But before going here, you should check out two different places that are the short list and mobile app. We have a problem really. We don't want to read. And because we don't learn, we earn less. But if you read more, learn more, you earn more. For that, you need to go to the short list. The short list is a small short page where they have valuable information. They give you which kind of images are hot right now and which part of the year they get a high demand of which type of image. Now, why are they sharing this information with you? Because they want related and hot, high demand images to be available, created and uploaded by the content creators or photographers. So if you follow their advice or instruction, you make more money. Pretty simple. So go through that and start uploading. Now, the second one is mobile application. Using the mobile application, uploading your photograph is super easy. So go ahead, download this application free. If you are an Apple user, use the Apple app. If you are an Android user, use the Android app. And click here to submit your images now. Now to become a contributor, you have to sign up using this page. So you put your email and your password and you sign in. But in case you don't have an account, create an account using this create an account link, where you have to use your full name, display name, email address, and your password. And then certify that you are 18 or more in age. And check this "I'm not a robot" checkbox. Click next and you'll be taken to the page where you can become a contributor. Now, there is another way to make money from Shutterstock, and that is affiliate program. I love affiliate program. My life on internet marketing started from affiliate marketing. So I know a thing or two about affiliate marketing because it's a 7-figure business model for me. But why I love it? Because as an affiliate, you really don't need to do anything. All you need to do is one single task. Take your affiliate link and drive all the traffic to your affiliate link, and that's it. Now, in case traffic is the problem for you, don't worry about it. Link in the description will give you software, my premium software. software 100% free for you that will help you drive traffic just like us. We are making videos, right? We publish videos every single day and we get thousands of views, traffic to your mailing list. Oh yes, mailing list. So you need to create an opt-in form to gain email subscribers. But for that, you need opt-in form? No, you don't need. Link in the description will give you my software that turns any PDF, report or ebook or whatever into your opt-in form, into your lead magnet, and it will drive referral traffic to you 100% free. So all these softwares are free, links in the description. Go get them, use them. Now, yes, about videos and traffic, making videos is not that easy. You understand. We put ourselves in front of the camera, but you don't have to do it. And that is why we created awesome piece of software. It's cloud-based, it's premium, but it's free for my viewers. This software writes the script for you using AI. This software even gives voice over, so you don't have to speak. But in case you want to speak, you can do that in the software. And so you don't have to be on the camera. It imports media files from anywhere on the planet, from any URL or a royalty-free websites like Pixabay or from your hard drive. And then it allows you to create videos in sections, small sections, any size the second you want, and save them on the cloud. And whenever you're ready, you're done with the video, with one push of a button, the video is rendered on the cloud, and from there, from inside the dashboard, you can upload it to YouTube and gain all the traffic you want. Super easy, and the software is free. You should grab right now. So all this traffic that you are getting, you can put it in your email list using the software, link in the description, or you can directly drive them to your affiliate link. Look at here, earn a generous 20% revenue share on the net sales amount when new customers make an image, footage, or music purchase. Receive regular and flexible automatic payment monthly via PayPal or e-transfer. Yay! Traffic results via cookie-based affiliate tracking software, which allows affiliates to be credited within 30 days after the first click. That's amazing. So it means if someone clicks your affiliate link and makes a purchase within 30 days of clicking your link, you still get the credit. That's amazing. Another best part of working as an affiliate with this company is that they're one of the most reliable companies. They're here for many years and they have 75 million users. Don't miss. There is another program they have called a Referral Program. You can earn more by referring your network to Shutterstock. In case you know other people who love to do photos, they want to sell photos using their phone or camera, or photographers or videographers, you can refer them. So here is how much you can earn from. Earn 4 cents on images and 10% on videos when an artist signs up with your link and their work is downloaded. Refer buyers earn 20% up to $200 on a customer's first payment when they use your link to sign up. So I can see there are 3 ways to make money. One is uploading, and they already have 75 million users. From their users, when anyone buys your image, you make money. You can make money as a referrer when you refer other artists or creators, and you can make money as an affiliate. So 3 different ways. I can see it's an easy peasy $1,000 to $2,000 a day system from this website alone. All you have to do is to get motivated, start using it, and go make money. That is it. Did you like your video so far? If yes, hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you tell YouTube that this is a good video and they show this to other people. And of course, you will get notified when we will upload our next video with our new softwares and new and unique ways to make money online. And we will see you in the next video.